Hi viewers, you are welcome to my channel. In today's tutorials, we are going to navigate through Microsoft PowerPoint window. We are going to highlight on all the features or properties that can help a computer user to control the window of Microsoft PowerPoint and also to create professional presentations. And this special program has many functionalities, and you can use it to create presentations based on the type of tasks you perform using this particular program. And we are going to open Microsoft PowerPoint on our desktop. Then we identify all the necessary features needed to help a computer user to create presentation. Now, to start with Microsoft PowerPoint, we have to open the program on our desktop. If you have the program pinned onto your taskbar, as you can see, I have my PowerPoint pinned onto the taskbar. If you have it here, you can have a once click on it, and when you click on it, this is going to open on your computer desktop. If you don't have it on the taskbar, you can go to the start button, and when you go to the start button, you have this scroll bar. You hold the scroll bar and scroll to find PowerPoint, or you can come to the Microsoft Office tools, and there is an arrow here. We have a once click on it to have expansion of this program. Then we search through this and find PowerPoint, and you can see that we have PowerPoint shown in the start menu. So if you want to pin this program onto your taskbar, you right click on it, then you choose more, and I have the program on the taskbar, so the option says pin from taskbar. If I don't have this on the taskbar, I'm going to have that option as pin to taskbar. So you can pin to taskbar so that anytime you want to access PowerPoint, you have it very easy to access. So we are going to click on PowerPoint from this start menu. You can also click on the search box and search for PowerPoint, and you are going to have the best match in the search section. Then you have a once click on it, then PowerPoint will be open on your computer desktop. Now this is the starting page or the home page of PowerPoint, where we have the home button here. You can click to search for different templates you want to work with. You can also use this scroll bar and search for previous files that was created by this particular program. Also, you can go to new and click on a new blank presentation, or you can also choose a template from this section depending on the type of presentation you want to create. You can also click on open if you have other saved or existing files or documents. You can come to this section and choose any file or document created by Microsoft PowerPoint. Then you click on it and access them and perform any task you want to perform. Now when you click on the home button, we can choose the blank presentation. So let's have a once click on this. Now this is the interface, and it is also called the front stage view, and this is where all your tabs, your ribbons, and your commands are listed that can help you to create a presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we are going to highlight all the properties or features of Microsoft PowerPoint, and the first feature that we're going to talk about is the Backstage view. And the Backstage view is located in the file menu, and the file menu is located at the top left corner on the menu bar. So when I have a once click on the file menu, I'm going to get this Backstage view, and the Backstage view will help you to perform different tasks. And when I click on the home button, I can also choose a new blank presentation, or I can choose any template from this section. When you click on new, you can also choose a blank presentation. Open, you can search for an existing file, click on it, and if you want to have any changes or you want to apply any changes to any existing file, you can come to the open command and come and choose that particular file. When you go to info is also going to give you the information about the file or document you are creating. And now we have in our document, we have only one slide, so it says what, slide 1. So if you open more than one slide, we are going to have every information related to this document. And we have under info, we have protect presentation. When you click on this, you can encrypt your file or document with a password so that no one can access your document. When you go to check for issues, you can inspect your document, you can check accessibility, you can also check compatibility depending on the document. When you come to manage presentation, you can record. If unfortunately you close this particular window, you can come to this section and uncover unsaved presentations. You can also delete all unsaved presentations from this particular area. When you go to the save button, you can save your documents. We have history. You can also print your document depending on how you want to work. When you click on the print command, you are going to have this print preview, and you can adjust the settings of your print, and you can print out any file that you've created. When you go to share, you can share your document with people, you can share through the email, you can present it online, you can send by instant message, and also you can save to your cloud. You can export your presentation as a PDF, as a video, as a package for CD. You can create handout, or you can also change file type. When you click on the close button, you are going to close this particular program. When you click on account, this is where you can apply some settings, where to change the office background. Now the office background I'm using is circuit. When I click on this arrow, I can choose this, and it's going to change office background. And we have office theme, where you can change the color of the office theme. You can change to dark gray, you can change to black color, you can also change to white, but we are going to maintain the colorful. So this area is the Backstage view that can also help you to control Microsoft PowerPoint window. So now let's click on the back arrow and get to our interface. Now the Frontstage view, we have different features, and the first feature I'm going to talk about is the control box. And the control box is at the top left corner. This is where the control box is, and we have 4 buttons on the control box or the control menu. The first button on the control menu is the minimize button, and the function of this button is to minimize the program onto a taskbar. So if I click on this once, I'm going to move the program onto a taskbar. So let's have it back again. When I click on the restore down, this is going to reduce or decrease the size of the PowerPoint window. And when I click in the middle, you see you have another button here, which is the maximize. And when you click on the maximize button, this is going to enlarge the window on your computer desktop. And the last button is the close button. This button, when you have a once click on it, this is going to close your program or your window completely from the computer desktop. So the first feature in Microsoft PowerPoint is the control menu. The next one I'm going to talk about is the quick access toolbar, and the quick access toolbar is located at the top left corner of the screen. This area is the quick access toolbar. So if I hover my mouse pointer onto this small arrow, you can see that we have the screen tip as customize quick access toolbar, and the function of this toolbar is to help users to issue commands easily without visiting other tabs on the menu bar. So if I want to paste a copied or a cut item, what I have to do is I have to come to the home tab and come and click on this paste command. But you can add this paste command to the quick access toolbar in different ways. What you can do is you can right click on the command and you can choose add to quick access toolbar. And when you go to the quick access toolbar, you can see that we have the paste command here. When you come to this section, layout command here. If I right click, I can add this to the quick access toolbar, and I'm going to have the layout command here. And also you can click on this small arrow, and we have different commands which you can add to your quick access toolbar. We can add a new command, you can add the open command, and you can add so many commands onto the quick access toolbar. Is to click on this small arrow then you move to all commands. You're going to have this dialog box. Make sure your quick access toolbar is selected, and we have two sections here. We have this section contains all the commands in this particular software, and this section is the commands that is found on quick access toolbar. So if I want to add more command, what I'll do is I can select this command, which is add animation. Then I move to this button, which is the add button. When I have a once click, this is going to add the animation to the quick access toolbar. I can also add the animation pin, copy, cut. So all these commands are going to be found on the quick access toolbar. So let's have a once click on OK. Now when you come back to your quick access toolbar, you can see that all these commands are found on quick access toolbar, and when you have a once click on it, it is going to issue a command based on the document that you are creating. So this is the quick access toolbar. The next feature we talk about is the title bar, and this is the title bar, and the function of the title bar is to hold or to maintain the name of the document you are creating or the presentation you are creating, and also the program that you have opened. So we have PowerPoint and we have Presentation 2, and PowerPoint is the software we have opened, and this is the default name for the presentation. And this title bar also holds the control box and also the quick access toolbar. So the function of this is to contain the name of the presentation and also the name of the program, and that is the third feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. The next one we are going to talk about is the menu bar, and the menu bar is located below the title bar, where we have the file, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, and all these tabs contains commands or ribbons which are grouped. So when it comes to the home tab, we have this clipboard group which contains commands such as the paste, the cut, the copy, the format painter, and these are grouped and they are called clipboard group. When you come to this group, we have the slide group, we have the font group, we have the paragraph group, and we also have the drawing group and also the editing group. When you click on the insert tab, we have different ribbons which are grouped. When you click on the transition, we have these commands here, animations, slideshow, we have all commands under. So all these tabs that you see on the menu bar have ribbons that can help you to issue a command into your presentation. Now the next one I'm going to talk about is the slide pane. Now this area is the slide pane, and this is where all the slides that you are working with is going to appear. And now currently we have one slide here. If you want to add more slide, what you do is you go to this button which is new slide, click on the arrow and click on blank, and this is going to add another slide to your slide pane. So this section is called the slide pane. The next one I'm going to talk about is this slide area. This area is the slide area, and this is the section that you are going to work to present your presentation, and this is the slide area. Also we have the scroll bar, and the scroll bar is found here. We have the vertical scroll bar which you can move up and down, and also it can help you to navigate through the slides that you have. So assuming we have 4 slides here, you will see that the scroll bar has extended. So when I move this scroll bar, it will help me to move the slide in the slide pane. So the function of the scroll bar is to help you to move up and down within this particular window. The next one we're going to talk about is the status bar, and that is where we have the slide number. When you hover your mouse pointer, we have slide number here, and this gives you the status of any presentation that is going on within this particular window. So if you have now slide 1 is selected, so we have slide 1 of 4, slide 2 of 4, slide 3, and this is going to give you the status or the notification of whatever is happening in this particular window. The next feature we are going to talk about is the zoom area, and the zoom area is found at the right bottom corner of the screen, where we have the zoom out to, and this is used to what, zoom out our slide area. When you click on the plus sign, we are going to enlarge the slide area. And this is also another feature in Microsoft PowerPoint that can help you to control the window of Microsoft PowerPoint.